Hello viewers and subscribers, thank you for connecting with me again. This is a medical health channel about the all medications, whatever, all about the medicines, whatever day-to-day life we are taking. That means it is a supplements or either a prescription drug or a non-prescription drug. I'm going to discuss in this video, friends. Today I'm going to discuss the Flora Brain Plus capsules that contains the vegan alga, EPA and DHA, friends. That means these types of Flora Omega Brain Plus, which contains a enormous number of ingredients, friends, and enormous and marvelous, particularly for the brain health. That means this overview of these medications. If you are vegan or a vegetarian, friends, no need to worry about the. If you are vegetarian, no need to worry. This is 100% pure vegetarian with omega-3, DHA and EPA, friends. Complete support to the brain and body support, friends, and supports the good creativity and brain health, because it contains the eicosahexaenoic acid and eicosapentaenoic acid. That means different types of ingredients it contains, friends. Actually the EPA and DHA is a major role in our brain, friends. That means omega-3 fatty acids, as we said. It also helps to brain stamina and also helps to proper function of amygdala, friends. Amygdala and hippocampus. Amygdala and hippocampus is the major area for the memory functioning area. It stimulates the amygdala and hippocampus, means automatically increases the brain memory, friends, and also make you genius and intelligent and IQ persons if you are taking this Flora omega-3 plus capsules, friends. Is enormous and world famous. That means the Flora is actually increases the memory and IQ level, friends. Intelligent, friends. If you want to be intelligent, you should take this medication for at least should be the 2 to 3 months. You will get the permanent relief from the Alzheimer's, dementia and memory loss, permanent from the life-threatening disease which occurred by brain, friends. It can use adults and children also, friends. The medications for adults and children's, what is the dosage, I will discuss in this at the end of this video, friends. The nutrition and supplement facts are available in these medications. I'm going to discuss with you now the whatever the nutrition and supplements facts ingredients are available in these medications. That means the Flora produce actually it is contains different types of ingredients. That means different ingredients according to some other. The omega-3, it is a different. That means that it contains the DHA and EPA. The ingredients are triglyceride and kaolin and these types of ingredients, friends, and medium chain sunflower oil and rosemary extract and glycerin, ascorbate, palmitate and carrageenan, starch and annatto and sodium carbonate, friends. If you are worrying about where we need to get this medication, means I will give the description link, friend. There itself you can buy, friends. It is 100% available in Amazon itself. If you are getting through the nearby pharmacy, friends, you can also buy through there itself, friends. Because actually it is available in whole over the world. That's why I discussed in this video, friends. Some people saw in the another different countries they can't get the supplements, because for that only I given the description link, friends. Now I'm going to discuss with you what is the direction to use this medication. Means the direction to use these medications, it is a capsule dosage form. We should take 1 capsule 1 to 2 times a daily with food or without, with food only, friends. So with meal as directed by physician. If you discuss with physician, means that also great. You can also discuss with your physician, friends. After that you can also take without prescription is also availability. This medication is for particularly the brain functions and also increases the immunity, friends. So mainly the day-to-day life we should increases the immunity, because so many diseases will attack in our body that can easily invade by using these, friends. Thank you for watching my channel. Keep supporting us, subscribe my channel and click the all notifications bell icon. Thank you.